George looked confused. Do you remember when you helped make pancakes, George? The man asked. George thought back to when he helped make pancakes. The mailman brought the recipe, and George read the recipe to find the right ingredients to make pancakes. Well, the man said, the mailman with the recipe was the RNA, and you were the ribosome, and all the ingredients you used to make pancakes were amino acids, which a cell uses to make proteins. You modeled protein synthesis, George. George smiled. He likes pancakes. Here's a chart, George. With this chart, you can determine every amino acid that is coded for by mRNA. The man said, showing George the chart. We call this the universal genetic code because every code is the same for everything on Earth. Here is a code you can decode, George. GAG. This codon is for the amino acid glutamate. This amino acid is found in many proteins like the ones in red blood cells. Here is another you can decode, GTG. This codon is different from GAG by only one base, but it codes for a different amino acid, valine. By changing that one base, I've now made sickle cell anemia, which is found in your homeland, George. If you can learn to read the code and change parts of it, you can make changes to organisms. We call this genetic engineering. Would you like to genetically engineer some animals, George? Well, let's go. The end. So I just want to go back to this part right here. Here you've got your DNA. They've skipped the mRNA part, but this one would GTG would transcribe into the mRNA CAC, which codes for the amino acid valine. So I just want to make that a little bit clear. It's a little bit unclear in this video, in this book, but I thought it was cute. I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, please let me know.